So good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope now we can start. Before starting, I would like to tell you that today we will revise tense. Okay. Hopefully you remember all the rules of the tenses. Remember or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very shortly, I want you tell me the rules to start, the rule to fill in the blanks with tenses. Can you tell me? Any of you who will tell me the uses of present indefinite tense? Answer quickly if you are able to tell, then okay, otherwise I will tell. Is anybody able to tell? Okay, I tell you uses of, yes.
Ma'am, negative or affirmative?
No beta, uses of tenses. Where do we use present indefinite tense? That thing. Okay, let me tell you. The first use of present indefinite tense is to tell the habit of anybody. Second is to tell or express scientific fact. Third one is to express universal truth. Fourth is to tell the punctuality. This way, I have told you the uses of present indefinite tense. Next is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to express the things that are going on at the time of speaking. And the second rule is present continuous tense is also used to express the things that are going on but may not be at the time of speaking. It's very good example is that we are making a new house. So it is not possible, it is not necessary that the work is going on at the time of speaking, but still it is going on. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Third is present perfect tense. Uses of present perfect tense are: the first one, to express the work that is completed in the past. Second is, we may not know when the work was completed. Then also, if we don't know when the work was completed, then also we use present perfect tense. Next is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to express that started in the beginning, has been completed, and it is still going on, and its effect may be on the present tense. Clear? I hope now present tense is clear to you, recalled you. Sunny, switch on your video. Kritika also. The students who joined later, switch on your videos or you will be removed. Kritika and Sunny. Kritika, you also switch on your video. I want to see who joined on the name. Kritika, if you are getting my voice, this is the last warning. Either switch on your video or I am going to remove you. Okay, now I will give you some sentences and you will fill in the blanks in them. I will give you the complete. It means all the tenses will be there, and wherever you need, you can ask me and I will explain why that tense is used in the blank. Okay? You can write if you need. The first I'm going to speak is the roof of the whole of a school building dash, and in bracket it is fall down in heavy rains yesterday night. Listen once again. The roof of the whole of a school building dash fall down in heavy rains yesterday night. Can you tell me? Who will tell? Unmute your
Ma'am,
mics. Yes,
held
tell
down.
beta.
Held down.
Very good. Very good. Fell down. Why did we use fell down?
Ma'am, because that work has been already done.
Because it is given yesterday night. And I told you
Yes, ma'am.
that when yesterday is there, last year, last day, last month, this type of words are given, it means you will have to use past indefinite. Clear? Next is 5 persons dash die on the spot. In brackets it is die. 5 persons dash die on the spot. What will we use? Unmute your mic so that you can answer. 5 persons dash in brackets die on the spot. Yes, answer who can? Any of you who is able to answer? 5% dash die on the spot. Nivan, your
Died.
yes, died. Because you will have to also keep in mind, generally it happens that whatever tense is started in the passage, if passage is there, generally the same tense will go in the further sentences also. So 5 persons died on the spot. Next is the school building dash under construction, and in brackets it is BE. 5 sorry, the school building dash under construction. What will we use here?
B.
बी की फॉर्म बताएंगे आप. We are using second form here. So what is the second form of B? What is the second form of B? I have told many times. First form of B is MR. Now tell me, what is the second form of B?
Was.
Yes, was or
Were.
was or were. So here it is the school building dash under construction. The school building is singular, so we will use was. Okay, the school building was under construction. According to the neighbors, about 15 persons dash in a whole of the semi-constructed building. About 15 persons dash, and in brackets is
Were.
sleep.
Was.
Sleep. Beta sleep. About 15 persons dash sleep in a whole of semi-constructed building.
Had slept.
Beta were sleeping. The time going work going on at the time of speaking and in past tense. So it is past continuous. Okay, and past continuous is was or were plus V1 and ing. So about 15 persons were sleeping in a hall of semi-constructed building. Most of the victims dash from the families of the workers. most of the victims dash, and in bracket is given BE, from the families of the workers.
Ma'am, what is given in the bracket?
BE.
Were.
Very good. Most of the victims were from the family of the workers who dash in brackets come from nearby villages. Who dash in brackets come from nearby villages. Yes. Only one student is answering, Nevan. और निमान का ध्यान भी अभी कहीं और है.
Ma'am, can
कौन
you
answer?
please?
Yes. Beta, be in class while in class. Okay. I know the rest are sleeping. Only student, you are responding. That is why I am telling you. The others are just sleeping. They have switched on the videos and I don't know where they are. Most of the victims were from the families of the workers who dash in brackets come from nearby villages.
Had.
Now I'll ask one by one. Who had come?
Yes, ma'am.
Had come means in past they had come. This is past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? This is past of the past. Its past is that they were sleeping, and the time when we are speaking, before that the work was done, before that they had come. So who had come from nearby villages. Next sentence is, hearing the cries, the neighbors dash there for help, and in bracket is reach. Yes. Reached, simple past. Work is done just before. Hearing the cries, the neighbors reached there for help. The injured dash admit in the hospital. In bracket
Admitted.
is admit. The injured dash admitted in the hospital. Now here passive voice will be used. The injured were admitted in the hospital because the work is done by some other person. So passive voice. The injured were admitted in the hospital. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now only Nevan will not answer. One by one you will have to answer. Bhavesh, now it is your turn. Okay? The next paragraph. Yesterday I dashed to take notes. Yesterday I dashed to take notes, and in brackets is try. T-R-Y, try. Bhavesh, answer beta. I will clear.
Had tried.
No beta, yesterday is given. Yesterday means
Tried.
tried. Very good.
Tried.
आपको हाँ वर्ड देख के आपको समझ में आ जाना चाहिए what is to be used. Okay. Yesterday I tried to take notes while the teacher dash explaining the notes in the class. I already told you. In brackets it was explain, so it will be used while the teacher was explaining. Past continuous. Okay. Since she dash speak loudly, and in bracket is not speak. Since she in brackets not speak loudly.
Not speaked.
नहीं बेटा, पहली बात तो ये है कि नॉट लगा है. हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या यूज करेंगे इसके साथ? She was not speaking loudly. Okay, she was not speaking loudly. It dash in brackets be difficult to hear. It dash.
Was.
Yes, very good. It was difficult to hear, especially as some of the students behind me dash talk. Listen the sentence, you will tell it. Since she was not speaking loudly, it dash difficult to hear. It was difficult to hear, especially as some of the students behind me dash talk. नहीं बता पा रहे हो? Were talking. Past continuous. Past continuous is going on in this sentence. Difficult to hear, especially as some of the students behind me were talking, and dash in brackets laugh most of the time.
Were laughing.
Very good. Were laughing most of the time. I dash in brackets feel disturbed. I in brackets feel disturbed.
Felt.
Very good. I felt disturbed and dash in brackets decide to sit in the first row.
Decided.
Very good. And decided to sit in the first row. All the answers are given by Bhavesh or Nevan is going?
Nevan.
Nevan. And Bhavesh, where did you go? Beta, be active. Next one. And the answers will be given by Sunil. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Sunil and Priyanshu. Both of you will answer. Sunil and Priyanshu. A festival of Indian films dash in brackets hold in Japan from 29th July to 14th August 1998. A festival of Indian films dash in brackets hold in Japan from 29th July to 14th August 1998. A time is given that in past this thing happened. So
Was
Held.
was
Held.
held. Was held. Okay. A festival of Indian films was held in Japan from 29th July to 14th August 1988. It dash be the largest film festival. It dash be the largest film festival.
It was.
Very good. It was the largest film festival organized in any other country of the world. At this festival, dozens of films dash in brackets screen. At this
Screen.
festival, dozens of films were screened. This is going on in passive voice. Were screened. The festival dash in brackets cover the history of Indian popular cinema. The festival
covered.
in brackets
Covered.
covered. Very good. Covered the history of Indian popular cinema and also dash in bracket focus on the Indian filmmakers.
Focused.
Focused. Very good. Focused on the Indian filmmakers. The Japanese dash in brackets B seen in theaters.
Was.
Were.
Plural है ना? The Japanese were seen in theaters and cinema halls in large numbers. It dash the Japanese audience an opportunity in brackets provide. It dash the
Provided.
Japanese audience. Very good. Provided. It provided the Japanese audience an opportunity to know not only the Indian cinemas but also the life of Indian society. The festival dash an everlasting impression in bracket is leave L-E-A-V-E.
lived.
Lived. Leaves.
Left.
Leave.
बेटा लीव की थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होती है?
Left.
Left.
लेफ्ट. फिर लीव्ड क्यों? लेफ्ट. The festival left an everlasting impression on the minds of the viewers. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा Sorry to disturb you. You will have to give me 1 minute time because light has gone and I'll have to set my laptop on the inverter.
Balaji.
Welcome back. Yes, let's do the next one. Now who will answer? Surekha. Surekha and Sunil. Both of you will answer. Okay. Soon after Bapu's death, Nehru dash in brackets find himself in a great dilemma. Soon after Bapu's death, Nehru dash in brackets find himself in a great dilemma.
Found.
Very good. Found. Gandhi ji dash in brackets B, a source of great strength for him. In
Was.
brackets B is very good. Was. Gandhi ji was a source of great strength for him. He dash in brackets use to guide
Used.
him at every step.
Used.
Very good. He used to guide him at every step. Next is in his address to the nation, Nehru dash in brackets say
Say.
said. Second form of say said. Nehru said that the light dash in brackets go out of the life of the Indian people. Yes, who will tell?
Went.
Went out of the life of the Indian people. Nobody dash in brackets expect that. बस इतना ही बताओ पहले. Nobody dash expect.
Expected.
Will expect.
No will क्यों बेटा? Future tense तो यहाँ यूज ही नहीं हुआ. Expected that he dash leave his countrymen so soon. He dash leave his countrymen so soon. Now future tense will be used.
Will.
Will and verb. Leave. Will leave. Okay. Nehru dash in brackets advise the people to live up to his expectations. Nehru in brackets advise the people to live up to his expectations.
Advised.
Very good.
Advised.
Nehru advised the people to live up to his expectations. Next is, who will answer now? Sunny and Bhavesh. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
4 robbers dash in brackets arrest in separate incidents last evening. 4 robbers dash in separate incidents last evening.
Arrested.
Were arrested.
Arrested.
Were arrested.
Were arrested. Why used were arrested? Can you tell?
Because now they are plural. For robbers.
Beta, because this is passive voice. This work is done by some others. Robbers ने अपने आप को तो arrest नहीं किया ना. They were arrested by somebody. They were arrested by police. So were arrested. Okay. An employee of the Express Times in brackets B waylaid by the 3 persons. An employee of Express Times dash in brackets B waylaid by the 3 persons. In brackets, it is given B. What tense will you use? An employee of Express Times dash in brackets B waylaid by 3 persons.
Were.
The simple past
Was.
was waylaid by 3 persons when he dash home in brackets return.
Returned.
When he was returning, because
Was running.
why? Because past continuous is here. It is told कहाँ पे use करते हैं past continuous? To express the thing that happened at the time of speaking. Okay, so was returning. Without losing courage, he dash hold of one of them in brackets catch. Without losing courage, he dash in brackets catch hold of one of them.
Catch.
Third form of catch is, second form of
Caught.
catch is
Catch. Catch.
caught. Catch
Caught.
नहीं होता बेटे, caught. CAUGHT caught. He caught. Hold one of them and dash alarm. In brackets, it is given raise. RAISE.
Raised.
Raised. What will be the spelling of raised? RAISED. Why don't you answer? Raised alarm. Two of them dash run away. Two of them dash run away.
Ran away.
Ran away
Ran away.
from the spot,
Ran away.
while the
RAN.
third one whom he dash in brackets catch. Two of them ran away from the spot, while the third one whom he dash in brackets catch. Caught. Had caught. Had caught. The work was already done. जिसको उसने पहले ही पकड़ लिया था. Whom he had caught. Dash hand over to the police. In brackets is hand. Dash hand over to the
Handed.
police. Yes,
Handed.
was
Handed.
handed. Was handed. Passive
Was
voice.
handed.
Was handed over to the police. The last one, the people of India, any of you can answer. Try to answer. The people of India dash in brackets show remarkable unity at the time of Kargil
Showed.
conflict. Showed. Very
Was
good.
showing.
Showed.
नहीं was नहीं showed. Showed remarkable unity at the time of Kargil conflict. Their dash a warlike situation. In brackets B.
Was.
Was. There was a warlike situation on our borders. Our soldiers in brackets fight with the intruders.
Fought.
Fought. Very good.
Fought.
Our soldiers fought with the intruders with great courage. All political parties dash the prime minister brackets back.
Were.
Backed.
Backed beta. All political parties backed the
Backed.
prime minister. Backed means supported from back. Okay. Even children dash in brackets support the Jawans.
Supported.
Supported the
Supported.
Jawans. They
Supported.
dash in brackets send cards.
And
Sent.
Sent. They
Sent.
sent cards. Very good. They sent cards and even dash in brackets write letters.
Wrote.
wrote.
Very
Wrote.
good. And wrote letters. Some of them dash in brackets collect money for the
Collected.
army welfare fund.
Collected.
Collected. Very good.
Collected.
Some of them collected money for the army welfare fund. Now, because the time is going to be over, but will not waste time. Still, it is going on. Our passages are over, but I will ask you sentences only. One sentence each student. Whenever the meeting is over, automatically you need not to join. Okay. He dash study in this school for 10 years. In brackets, study is given. he dash in brackets study in this school for 10 years.
Study was.
Was studying.
Had been
Has
studying.
been studying. Very good. Has been studying. Next is I dash in brackets not wait for you for a long time. I
Shall.
dash not wait for you for a long time.
Shall.
I shall not wait. Very good. खाली shall नहीं लिखना होता इसमें आपको. You are to write verb also. Okay. Next is Mohan dash in brackets reach home before it started raining.
Reached.
Reached.
No. When I
Was
discuss
reaching.
past perfect tense, before से पहले हम क्या use करते हैं? Had plus V3. Had plus third form.
Was reached.
Will be Mohan had reached home
Reached.
before it started raining. Got it? So beta, now the time is over. If you feel any difficulty, you can call me anytime. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta. Thank you.
Yes.